How to create shortcut on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create shortcut on Snapchat. Open the app and create the snap that you want to send. Now tap on the next button, and here you can find plus icon on the top of your screen. Tap on it and you can find the option new shortcut. Select it, and now you need to select the friends that you want to add on the shortcut. After you select the friends that you want to add to the shortcut, choose the emoji that you want to name the shortcut as. After you name the shortcut with an emoji, tap on the icon create shortcut. After you name the shortcut with an emoji, tap on the create shortcut option, and thereby your shortcut will be created. Hope this was useful. Like and subscribe and comment down if you have any further issues.